came out to the Highland Forest behind Geraldine to shoot a video. Cool truck, epic location, get the shots, wrap it up. But this wasn't just another shoot, it turned into a front row seat with Cable Logging Geraldine. What I found out here was a story of precision, protection, sustainability, and pride in doing things the right way. The crew from Cable Logging Geraldine brought their brand new Hilux down to 360 Collision in Ashburton looking for real protection. Something that could handle the bark, brush, sun, mud, rocks, and petrochemicals it would see. And they got it with Ballistic Flex Clear. Our goal is simple: give every truck and piece of equipment the finish it deserves and the protection it needs. Whether it's a ute, a forestry machine, a piece of equipment, or a fleet vehicle, Bodyliner has the products to protect your investment. And with Ballistic Flex Clear, strength isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. I was blown away to see how rough some of the terrain they had to go through was, with their utes, trucks, and equipment just getting hammered every day. You can't fake durability out here. You either have it or you don't. It was an inside look, right from the driver's seat of the machines that move this industry. First the faller, a Canadian-built powerhouse, then the processor, slicing through trunks like butter. But what really blew me away is how it all is planned. These forests are on a 30-year rotation. As one section is harvested, another is already growing. They've built a cycle, a sustainable system where they're always planting, always working, and always chasing their tails in the best way.
Hey Glenn, so we got to travel around. It looks like we're about to go hit some cool pieces of equipment.
Yep.
What is it you guys are all doing here?
So we're a harvesting crew. So we do everything from cutting them down to put them on trucks. So we're a fully mechanised crew. We've got felling machines, winch assist felling, processor skidder. We're a hauler crew as well, so we can do all the steeper country, and stuff like that. And soon I'll take you in the felling machine, take you for a ride.
No, I'm excited for that.
Chuck you in the processor and show you what it's all about.
Ah man, that's awesome. Well, we're here in the hills out by Geraldine in New Zealand, and I'm so excited to see what your ute is going to look like in a couple years compared to the other ones that you've had. And I'd like to thank you very much for using Bodyliner products.
Cool, no, thank you.
Cheers, buddy.
And I'd also like to thank Aaron and Corey at the team at 360 Collision in Ashburton. If it wasn't for those guys, we wouldn't have this product on our truck. So cheers guys, thank you.
That is awesome. So don't forget, if you're looking for Bodyliner products in the Geraldine and Ashburton area, hit up 360 Collision. They've got you covered.
What started out as a simple product shoot turned into a whole new appreciation for the Kiwi forestry industry. The scale, the systems, the sustainability, it's all dialed in. And we're proud that Bodyliner's playing a small part in helping these guys protect what drives their future.